tää jätkä.
Ei tässä.
Juu.
Sub-Zero. Kummin mä sanon? Sub-Zero. Sub-Zero. Enkä sano. Noniin. Sub-Zero Chips and Clips 2008 ja mukana meitä oli minä, Okko, Kosti, Emu sekä apumiehenä toimi Jaakko. Tarkoituksena oli kuvata ja jippailla tuttua ja turvallista Jyväskylää. Itse lähdin tosi mukaan hieman epävarmana, koska polvi vaivasi jo ennestään. Toinen spotti, eka yritys.
Vittu, nyt meni pahasti!
Piipillä mä polvi paskaksi perään. Varmaan risti sinne paskaksi. Tässä ei paljon enää fiilistä vetää. Pahalta näyttää.
Meidän pitää tätä 3 jätkää temppuja.
Niin. Onko 3 jätkää?
2 jätkää jäljellä.
A bunch of words to a beat mean nothing if they're only helping you. What about the homeless community, shelter and food? I write what I feel will only truly move you. True freedom of expression, I don't seek your approval. And this is an amazing grace. It's a major disgrace, and I hate the fact that I was even conceived in this place. Close chapters in my life in need of space. How's the key to increasing bodily value to lose face? But they feed us pork and lies, and yes, in that order, what they did to Middle Eastern people was the slaughter. For this atrocity, beautiful flower, I named my daughter. Go against depression, cause I love it, not cause I order. So I keep building and hate love that loves hate, and show the world that Neo ain't the only way out the matrix. So indeed, if you believe to achieve, then you'll make it. So indeed, if you believe to achieve, then you'll make it. It's physics. Just physics. It's all about life and the path you take. If you don't like me when you see me and shake my hand, then God, you fake. That goes for that too. The same for me, same for you, and that's for individuals as well as crew. In hip hop, God, we rock and roll. Can't hold the mic and hold the globe, so I chose my people. This is the story of a lesser man turned equal. Cause through music, your essence yields sequels. Keep listening, you dull in your flow, but I keep glistening. I hit the nail on the head, the truth you keep missing. When does it end? I give my life for a fact and sin. That's brotherhood, not mere friends. This ain't the last days, it is the end. But the question is, die like heathens or live as men? Well, I guess it all just depends. When it's raining, do you take the pill? When hate back, then decide to kill? No, never that. Cause what's wrong in any equation is never black. And they're still out here trying to disprove that. Check.
Mitä paskaa jätkä heittää? Hakula veli räppiä heittää ja riimiä.
Tech, I got something to say, man. Tech, let me get at him real quick. St. Louis, stand up. St. Louis, city of all cities, yeah, I said it. My life, I'd bet it. My wife, I met her. And you only doubt us cause you don't know where we all headed. To the top with a fate that's thoroughly threaded. And I ain't fly plane into the building, but the cameras are watching me. On top of the street lights, yeah, that's Homeland Security. This is what I voted for. This is why I pay taxes so you can treat me like an animal. And define social classes, I should be able to eat legally. The madness has got to stop. I ain't never had a jump shop, and I've been stopped selling rocks. We've all done this and that and touch some illegals. Now think, is that really the message you want to send to your people? If a future reference you ain't nothing right, if you tell me my music's hot, just means you a man about yours. You don't mind giving props. And as long as I'm alive, then the city has a name. I do this for hip hop, divide the rest amongst you lame. Life is this, life is that, life is bliss when it's right and exact. Cause life is black, and we all know this, but we live in shades of gray and try to get back tomorrow what we wasted today. I need is to get serious, get a job, and death stop flirting. Invest in 401k or spend retirement working. Cause the GOP is still jerking, so you better have a plan. Cause when Schnucks runs out of food, it's back to the summer Sam. I got a new woman in my life, and her name's Rihanna Renee. And she got a direct connect between me, my wisdom, and my Madre. She shines with 5 points, and that's right in exact understanding. Concise decision making and super ego commanding. I'm why flowers bloom, the sun loves the moon. And when I step in, if I step in, knowledge fills the room. The epitome of the start of artists, rhyme with flies on my face. Get over, don't expect I'll put you in your proper place. I know that he works and you work and I work harder. And rep the heart of the art of a backpacker smarter. So as long as it's black on black crime.